Listen up, summoners. Are you tired of the disappointment of summoning hundreds of mystical scrolls with no nat 5s? No good monsters to use in RTA? Tired of the shame from your friends calling you a noob? Does your lack of nat 5s remind you of the lack of your penis size? Well, cry no more.
Wait, whoa. First off, no. Second off, why is there a voiceover? This is my channel. Stop this nonsense. Let's just make some mystical scrolls. Let's just make them. Alright guys, what do you think is more likely to summon the almighty Fire Phoenix, aka Fire Chicken? Scroll number 1, which is egg roll, wrapper. Did I just stick it in? Oh, I stuck it in the sparkle slot. I stuck it into, okay. And or number 2, which is a phyllo dough wrapper. What do you think? Number 1, number 2. Number 1, number 2. These are gonna fall if I keep doing that. I think the best thing about these already is there's a guaranteed, no matter how bad your RNG is, there's a guaranteed Fire Chicken in here. Guaranteed. You'd have terrible RNG, guaranteed Fire Chicken. Unless you put, like, Wind Penguin in which case, how did you get Wind? Where did you buy Penguin? Like, seriously, what grocery store sells Penguin? The moment of truth, guys. Does it taste like a Nat 5 or does it taste like a Nat 3? Oh, this is a Nat 5 for sure. Hell yeah. Tell me that is not a gorgeous looking mystical scroll. That is a beautiful, looking mystical scroll. This is delicious though, wow. I can't imagine the puff pastry tasting better than this one. This tastes good. I'm excited to taste the other one too. You know, the best part of this is the cost to make one of these is probably equal to the amount that you spend on a mystical scroll if you buy one, and you are more likely to be less disappointed with this one than the one in the actual game. Time to try option number 2, Mr. Puff Pastry Mystical Scroll. This kind of has the bowing in the middle a little bit more. Like in the regular Mystical Scroll, in the game, it like smooshes in the middle. So this one has the smushing in the middle, but it's kind of puff pastry like. It looks like a puff, no fooling, it looks like a puff pastry. It's all over my pants now. I definitely have chicken juice on my pants. Side by side comparison, this one's got more chicken. I like the more chicken, right? This one puffed up so much that you lose the chicken in there. It's so puffy. It's tasty, but you lose the chicken. And I'm gonna give this one, okay, so I give this one an 8, and I give this one a 7, because you juiced on my pants, and I don't like you, buddy. I don't like you. Why are you juicing on my pants? I hate it when mystical scrolls juice on my pants. Final verdict, both Nat 5s, but also both food. And I'm gonna eat them both. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for this one. I will see you as always in the next one. And if you summon a Nat 5 while you're watching this video, I take full credit for it. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you as always in the next one. That was f***ing either brilliant or stupid as shit.